It's a backpack summer league. It's pretty cool. I actually like it.
You just can fill it up with dirt. Fill your cup up.
Today he's doing plants, so we're gonna learn about plants. I'm not sure what about yet. They like to keep it a surprise.
You can twist your hand around it, and a lot of the corn will come off.
Bro, that's going everywhere.
Here, I kind of feel like it's just like getting us prepared for the next grade and like making sure we can like keep the work that we did in 7th grade in our mind. And we do like a lot of stuff with Think Law, so like a lot of lawyer stuff, which is really cool because I feel like I want to be a lawyer now when I get older. And we do a lot of math stuff that helps out with like, because I'm in DMS, so it helps out like with me so I can keep up with my math and everything, so it's really cool.
So now you can register a drone and verify it. That's pretty cool, Nicole.
I like the in summer school because I'm like one of those people who love school.
Make sure you put that in your little hole you made and cover it back up with dirt and make sure the stem and the green leaves are sticking out.
So we have to stick it into the dirt.
So what is that?
A tomato.
So now that I'm doing this program and doing in-person school, is kind of making everything better. Because in virtual class, I was kind of struggling at first because I wasn't used to it.
Yeah, come on, get some dirt. You want to scoop your cup in? Might make it a little easier.
So I feel like I was so nervous to start in 8th grade because I didn't know like what I was going to be starting off on, and since I didn't get like to do, like since my 7th grade year was kind of messed up, I didn't really know what was going to happen when I got into 8th grade, but now with this I kind of feel like it'll be a smooth transition into my 8th grade year.
You see that in school. How many of us have seen that in school?
It's just the teachers and everyone here is just, they're really cool. And they really care. They really show how much they care about us, stuff like that.
In-person experience during the summer is I'm probably learning a lot more.
And I feel like right here is like really where we get to go hands-on with the activities and learn more about it than we would in regular classes because they don't have time to do this. But people that actually specialize in this really helps us to get to learn more about it. You get a lot of new experiences. It's amazing.
Perfect.